My dear students of class 9, this is your subject history and here the first chapter name is the Harappan civilization. So from the scope of the syllabus, today's lesson is seals and its decline. So today we will discuss about the scope, the seals, and here we'll see its importance also. Seals means you can understand it's like a stamp. The seals may be considered as the most valuable finds as they give us valuable information about the Harappan civilization. More than 2000 seals of different types have been discovered from the various sites. These are usually square or oblong and made of terracotta or ivory. Among 2000 seals, here we'll discuss about three important seals. First seals, name is the animal seals. Some seals are engraved with the figures of animals, the buffalo, bull, elephant, tiger and antelope. Next seal name is the unicorn seal. Another figure shown on the seals is that of the unicorn with a single protruding horn. Next seal name is the Shiva Pasupati seal. You can say only Pasupati seal. It is the three-faced deity seated in a yogic posture with a horned head dress and surrounded by few animals. That's why this seal known as Pasupati seal. Now students, here very important question, that is importance of the seals. The seals are valuable sources of information about the culture and civilization of the Harappan people. Point number 1. From the figures on the seals, we come to know about the physical features, dress, ornaments, and hairstyles of the people, and we also learn about the animals they use. Second information we are getting from seal, that means second point, they throw light on the religious faith and beliefs of the people. Point number 3, they give us an idea about their commercial activities. Point number 4, they reveal the remarkable skill of the artist. Point number 5, they show the scripts prevalent in those days. So importance of the seals means from here we are getting many informations about the Harappan people. Now here the last scope from Harappan civilization, that is decline of the Harappan civilizations. This type of very skillful civilizations, well developed civilizations, how it was declined. Here we will discuss. The Harappan civilization declined around 1800 BC. There is no clear evidence regarding the reason for the decline. Some of the likely causes for the decline are the following. Point number 1. Some scholars have shown the earthquakes might have raised the plains of the lower Indus River that led to the submergence of cities like Mohenjo-daro. Point number 2. Others say that it might have been destroyed by floods which did occur periodically. Harappa, however, has not yielded any evidence of flooding. Number 3. Some other writers suggest that river Indus might have changed its course, submerging the cities. Number 4. One historian, Mortimer Wheeler, believed that an Aryan invasion might have brought about the destruction of the civilizations because some 13 skeletons were found lying on the streets. The last point of the decline, point number 5, Harappan people made developed civilization. These led to deforestations, that is, millions of trees were cut down or destroyed. As a result, there were floods and droughts. Such an ecological crisis led to the collapse of civilization. So, among these 5 causes, you can't tell that for this cause or from this causes the civilization declined. But these are the causes historians believe maybe from these cause or these causes the Harappan civilizations declined. So decline of the Harappan civilization is very important question. So this is your worksheet student. You have to write all these questions with answers in any copy or in any notebook what is available with you. Now the first question is, why did the Indus Valley civilizations come to be known as Harappan civilization? Number 2, mention any two important centers of the Indus Valley civilization except Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Number 3, with reference to the source of the Harappan civilization, describe the significance of each of the following. Number A, the Great Bath. Number B, the Citadel. Number 4, write any four importance of the Harappan seals. Number 5, write the causes that led to the decline of the Harappan civilization. So students, first you will copy these questions, then you will write the answers. All answers you will get from today's video and previous video. If you have any queries, any doubt, you can comment below the video in comment section. Thank you, student.